Sounds like a big no. Stand by.
Not a definite maybe.
Get him all fixed up.
We don't know. We'll find out in a minute. Go. Go. It'll work. We're going to find out. Oh, come on.
Can I still stay on the
Yep.
road?
Shooting high.
Yeah.
It was low. Low. You're hitting the cross brace. There you go.
Can I just keep shooting?
You can keep shooting until the cows come home.
Huh?
You can keep shooting until the cows come home.
You know, she doesn't shoot that little gun too bad.
No.
It has no sight whatsoever. I mean, it's just
Stick with this for now, but when
lighter loads.
yeah.
All right.
It helps. It does.
when he shoots again, if that gun jams, I want to look at it.
Right.
Okay.
Wonder what she'd do. I mean, for shooting this type. I mean, it's a good belly gun. Don't get me wrong, but
Yeah, so we come down here all day long, keep shooting at the dog and things we give them. As soon as we get down here,
Left-handed.
oh yeah,
challenge, it's just what the heck goes
I know.
on. You know?
I know.
That's why it's hard to shoot weak hand. High. To the right. Low.
Look at that, offhand, and she takes her time.
120.09.
That ain't bad.
I'm out. Slide forward.